Hi guys, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you're all enjoying these. Thank you so much for the feedback and the amazing comments on my other ones. You guys are just the best. Like, honestly, these take so much time to film and edit, but you guys make it worth it for me, and I love to do them for you. So I have another one today. It's quite a cold, wintry day today, so I wanted to choose recipes that were quite warming. So I had banana pancakes for breakfast, which was such a fantastic start because they were so filling and warm. And at the time, I'd just come in from the school run. I was drenched, I was cold, and I just wanted something filling and warm and comforting, and they really did hit the spot. So before I get on with telling you about the rest of the day, I'm going to insert that now so you guys can see exactly what I had. So the pancakes that I'm going to be making today are actually a Weight Watchers recipe, and it's these ones here. They're 1 point. However, the 1 point here is because of this ingredient, which is the Groovy Food Co. agave nectar. I don't have any of that, so I'm going to be using this maple syrup from Skinny Food London. I really enjoy this, and I like that this tastes quite ambery as well to me, so I'm hoping that this will be a good substitute. We'll see. I also have a mixture of blueberries and raspberries. I have about 88 grams combined. 2 bananas. I'm going to be mashing 1.5 and slicing the rest. 3 medium-sized eggs, and I think apart from a pinch of cinnamon and a little bit of baking powder, that is all the ingredients. Okay, so the first thing it says to do is to whisk the mashed banana, eggs, vanilla and baking powder. So we're going to need a little bit of vanilla extract as well. How delicious does this breakfast look? I've just checked it out points wise, and this is completely free because eggs are free. We used the Skinny Food maple syrup, which is free for 1 serving, and obviously the rest is fruit. So I'm so thrilled with that. They look delicious. I have 4 big pancakes here, which will definitely see me through till lunchtime, and I also have my coffee as well. And they were delicious. My tummy was so full and happy, and it was just, yeah, a great start to the day. But it's now time for lunch, so I'm going to be having a steak sandwich, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to show you exactly how many points it is. It's not that much actually, and I think it's great for days like this where I have a little bit more time to dedicate and I want something nice and filling. And later I'm going to be making a chicken chickpea casserole from scratch. Again, perfect for this kind of cold, drizzly weather that we're experiencing. I think it's going to be a great seasonal dish, and both of them have come from the Weight Watchers app. So great for pointing, great for really delicious flavours, so I'll show you that later. And I'm also going to be baking a pie today, which I'm so excited about, and we're going to be having that as well. So it's a really fantastic day, and this is still all within my 23 points, so I'm really excited about that. I'm going to be baking a blackberry and apple pie, which I think will be wonderful because I don't have pies too often, so it's going to be a really lovely treat. So yeah, really delicious day of food. Hope you all enjoy it, and let's get in the kitchen. Let's start making. This is the lunch I'm going for. It's going to cost 5 points. I'm going to be using these sandwich thins, again, that I got from Aldi, which I think are fantastic. And I also have these thin cut beef steaks, which I think will be a nice alternative to sirloin. And I also have this dip that I made last night. It's basically a Dijon mustard, mayo, salt and pepper, garlic, lemon juice. It's just a really nice dip that I've got left over that I think will accompany the steak really nicely. Rocket salad. We're going to need some red onion and some balsamic vinegar as well. steak is definitely medium rare. If you do like it more well done than this, and obviously cook it for longer. Sandwich made. It looks really delicious, it smells great, and I'm just going to have it with a Coke Zero, which obviously is 0 points. That is so nice. It's nicer than the chicken sandwich that I had the other week. I know I keep saying this, but that is just so delicious. The balsamic vinegars really adds to the onion as well and makes it quite sweet but quite sharp at the same time. Mixed with that little dip that I did. It's just heaven, it really is. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to put the recipe for that little dip that I made in the comments, because it makes it, like, it merges with the steak. I'm in such a happy place right now, like seriously. It's freaking delicious. This is the pie that I'm making now in preparation for dessert tonight. So I'm about to go on the school run in a couple of hours, so I thought I would get it done ahead of time. Cooking apples here. I have 300 grams of blackberries. I also have some caster sugar, some, is it Demerara sugar? I can't remember the name of that, but yeah, I'll link it below. You're going to need some nutmeg, some cinnamon, but I'll link everything down below as I said. So I'm going to get on with making that now. So because this is a pre-rolled sheet, this is 375 grams, which is a lot more than we actually need. So I'm going to slice it and weigh out 200 grams, which that's about 375. So that's 75, 300. I'm going to try and slice it here and see what this equates to. I'm going to weigh it. That's my pie ready for the oven. I hope it tastes great. I mean, it looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna pop that in the oven now, and I think it needs to bake at 200 for 35 minutes. So my pie is out of the oven, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot about it. It should have come out like 8 minutes ago, which is why the sugar has gone a little bit brown, and my big star, this one's not too bad, but my big one just, yeah, went wrong. But it smells incredible, and it's still golden brown. I mean, you could peel off these little flecks, but actually I think that they'll caramelize and they'll still taste quite nice. So it's time to go and get Layla now. So I'm just about to set off on my walk, and I'm going to take a plum. Andy's picking me up today because the weather's not very nice and he's out and about in the car, so he's going to come and get us. So I only have to walk there and not from, but I've been really enjoying having plums lately. Plums. Anyway, yeah, I've been really enjoying having plums on my walk, so I'm going to go and have a plum. How many times can I say plum? Anyway, then I'm going to get back and we're going to start on the casserole because that's going to take a while to prepare. So yeah, let's go and get ladles. Say that was a success. Dinner was delicious, really flavorful, and I really enjoyed it, and the chickpeas thickened it up quite a bit, so it was just really filling. I had it with a Aldi flatbread, which was 3 points, and it was delicious. I really enjoyed it. I also then had some of the pie, which turned out really well because we mixed it with the custard that was quite sweet. It worked really, really well, so it tasted really delicious. And I had a little bit of custard, as I just mentioned. So all of my points gone for today. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new for more What I Eat in a Day from me. And I'll see you in the next video.